Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Xoom PayPal account. First step is to open Xoom PayPal on your phone. Now select Sign Up with PayPal. Then select your country. Here, provide your phone number. So tap on the next button. Another way is to log in with Xoom. Provide your email address. Tap on the next button. This app doesn't allow screen recording. You need to log in to PayPal to continue to Xoom. So after email, provide your password. Tap on Continue. This is how you can create a Xoom with PayPal account. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.